guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am back here again at Voxen University in Hyderabad and I have been invited for a very special event. The name of the event is Celebrating Design. It's an annual design event hosted by the design students of Voxen University. It's 2 days of learning where they have guest lectures, exhibitions, activities, workshops and a lot more. Wait, why am I even talking? Let's go experience it. Guys, I got done with the first session of the event, which was by Stanley Raj. Stanley Raj is a UI UX designer and the topic of the session was where do the designers fit in? It was a super informative session. Now I'm headed to the clay modeling and jewelry designing workshop. So let's check that out. Super interesting. Guys, I just got done with the clay modeling workshop here. It was moderated by Pawan Kumar, who's an artist and a sculptor. I did try my hand at clay modeling but sucked obviously. But the students here are really very good with it. Some of them are designing logos, artifacts and whatnot. Anyways, let's go check out other things. Come, let's go. Guys, I'm headed to one session which I'm really very excited about. It's storytelling through the help of wildlife photography. So I'm really looking forward to that session. Let's go check it out.
If I start showing you photographs of each one of you, it will be good to look at. But would you know who is from where, what they did, what is their life like? That is exactly why a concept like Humans of Bombay, Humans of New York, that works very well rather than just photographs.
So guys, there are tons of things happening across the campus. Obviously, I cannot record each and everything because it will become more than an hour of a video. I just finished my session on visual storytelling through wildlife photography and I just met one of the subscribers who's telling me that there's another workshop that's happening which is on Indian coffee brewing and cupping. So I'm super excited for that and obviously a coffee lover like me should not miss that one. So let's go check that out. Guys, I'm running to the admin block because there's a flash mob that's happening there. I'm super excited for that. What's up? Good morning and welcome to the day 2 of Celebrating Design here at Voxen University. Actually, last night was super fun. So basically after the flash mob, so many of the first years and second years in Voxen University came up to me. All of them are my subscribers. By the way, I've become like super famous and I'm getting full celebrity vibes here. It is because they've watched my previous videos before coming to the college. By the way, in case if you haven't watched my campus tour video of Voxen University and the student experience video, please go do that. Day 2, just like day 1, is going to be filled with activities. Right now, I'm going for the first speaker session, which is about game design. I'm kind of late, but running through it. And after that, there are multiple workshops and all of those things happening. There's also a big event happening at night. So please make sure you watch this video till the very end. I'll catch you soon. Guys, I'm inside the leather workshop and I have with me Jatin, who's one amongst many who's moderating this workshop. So Jatin, can you tell me exactly what's happening here?
So we're gonna learn how to emboss in leather. And next one is gonna go with the stitching.
Okay.
And the stitching, it's like a practice session for the final product.
Okay.
And the final product will be ending up with like this.
Oh, is it a wallet?
Yeah, it's a wallet.
Pretty fancy. The color also. This is original leather.
Yeah, that's an original leather.
Wow.
Their products, whatever they are making it, they're gonna take it to their homes.
Okay, and they can also sell it later.
They can sell it, they can use it. It's all on them.
Wow, pretty good. I am with Kanika, who is one of the members of the organizing committee for this fest. Kanika, you're doing a fab job. I'm loving the whole vibe. Guys, Kanika is really going to help me take a tour of the whole exhibition. Yesterday I couldn't do with the stalls and all because it was packed jam with people. Today we have some time, so we'll do it. Go
Let's
ahead.
dive in?
Yes, come, let's go. Isn't this supposed to be like the future?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You play games and that.
Wow.
Use this to your finger.
And you guys designed it all by yourself?
Yes, it's designed by all the students of product design.
Wow.
As we walk in, we have like most of the projects of fashion design. So people sit in here and then they weave. And these are all done handmade, like each and every thread. That's how a cloth is made, right?
Yeah, the
With
weaving
threads.
machines, yes.
Yes.
Guys, this dress, you wouldn't believe it, is made of tissue papers. So wow, that's some kind of creativity. Little hands-on learning, right?
Yeah, this is a Mars rover.
Oh wow.
So these are our stalls for the celebrating design. And again, the stalls are done by the students. Products are made by the students. So as we go on, this is the first stall, that is thrift store. So we collected clothes from our own batch, our own students. Here are full of more stuff where they sketched, painted, and they wanted to sell their art. So you see there are stickers also. This is customizing hoodie and t-shirt stall.
Is it all the anime theme only?
Yeah.
This is what you
Anime
call it.
and landscape.
Okay.
So yeah, you can choose one of them, or if you have a custom design in mind.
And you only do hoodies or t-shirts and all that?
do
stuff?
t-shirts, hoodies, and art.
Oh wow, great. Wow. That's like, so you have to customize names and all. How much time does it take you to do all this?
There's a swing that is
Oh yeah,
fenced there.
bamboo furniture is very in. Okay, so guys, that's the end of the stall tour.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kanika. She's been the biggest help and support. Thanks a lot. Now I'm headed to a very fancy session. It is called Cupcake Icing Session and it is by Chef Suresh. So let's check that out. Alright guys, I am headed to the amphitheater of Boxing University for the grand finale event of Celebrating Design. It was a 2-day fest and the grand finale is a fashion show. Now this fashion show, each and everything is done by the students. In fact, the design students of Boxing University. Basically, there are 90 students who are walking the ramp and everything from the costume designing to making of the costumes, makeup, everything is done by the students. Honestly, I have never ever visited or experienced a fashion show. It's my first time, so I'm super excited for it. I can already hear the music in the background, so I'm directly going to dive into it.
Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night, and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Anyways guys, that's about it for this particular vlog. Thank you so much for watching this vlog till the very end. I wish I could record each and every event, speaker session or workshop, but then this vlog would become for hours. But I hope I have been able to do justice in giving you guys a glimpse of how a college fest looks like. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Please comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. Make sure you watch my previous videos of Woxin University. Last but not the least, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.